Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, and this is technical analysis of Youku Tudou, ticker symbol YOKU. Today is August 14th, Thursday, August 14th, 2014. This is going to be, we're going to take a look at the weekly chart and then the daily chart. So we're trying to do a synopsis, snapshot, I guess is the right word, of Youku Tudou. All right, so here's all the trading. It started trading back in December 2010. It came public IPO and closed that first week at 37.50, went all the way up intraday week to like 70, sold all the way back down to below the IPO. I think this has been like an ABC correction. I'm calling this the end of C down here because it looks like 5 waves to me. So now I think we're starting off, let's call this like a 0 point. Get rid of this, like a 0 point here. So I'm calling this wave 1, wave 2. I thought this might be wave 3, then 4, then 5. But when I look closer at this, I don't see 5 waves in here. So I think this is the beginning of a corrective action. So therefore, if this is 1 and this is correcting, notice how it came below the top of 1 here. This cannot be 4. Okay, so this cannot be 3. And it's like you just kind of like, you know, do all these, well, if then this, you know, and you just constantly are checking the rules, and 4 cannot overlap 1, so therefore this is some kind of wave structure within wave 3. Okay, so that's my assumption. You can see we ran into resistance up in here, which I believe coincides with, you know, the resistance that it ran into over in here. Some of the closing areas in here. And then this is our previous most recent peak, a high of 2460. So let's go ahead and zoom in. So right now I'm under the working assumption that we have completed wave 2 back in a flat, a flat correction, an A, B, C, and then we've started off on a wave 3. And let's take a look at that. So here's that scenario more, kind of a 3-wave A, 3-wave B, and now I believe we've got a 5-wave 2, C, down here to complete 2. So now here's the first wave up, and here's the wave 2 back, which did a pretty deep retracement, which is what we typically see in a wave 2. And now we've got, you know, starting off a nice up thrust here to the upside. And, you know, it's just, it looks really nice. I mean, this is what you want to see when you're in a wave 3. Wave 3 is supposed to be one of the stronger waves. So this is literally small wave 1 within wave 3, within minor wave 3, okay? So you just got to remember, every wave you constantly break down, it's still going to have 5 waves in this impulse in here. So right now it's acting well. I think potentially we've got resistance in here. Where we ran into resistance before we get through this resistance, then I think we got a good chance of running. The one negative I'm seeing, and of course you're going to see this because of the pullback and everything to the degree, the 55 is below the 233-day moving average. So the long-term trend is still to the downside. And well, it's more than one. I mean, the 21's below the 55 in here also. So we need to get this up above this point here to get to a higher high to kind of confirm that we're making this move to the upside and then get this 21 back above the 55. So right now I'd be looking to, you know, if we got a pullback, looking to see how that pullback is and then try to get on board after that pullback happens to for the next move to the upside. Right now, I don't see just jumping in, although this was really nice. The time to have gotten in was right in here on this second close above the 10, or right slightly higher, right up in here would have been nice, around 20. I mean, you've got a nice, at least 10% move in here. And this morning is kicked off, it's down 5 cents today. It's 8:35 in the morning, so the market just opened 5 minutes ago. All right, that's the quick and dirty assessment of Youku Tudou. And I think it was interesting that this scenario here looked very similar. And notice how we're kicking off and you had this wave 1 and this pullback. But notice how they did this, I don't know what you call it, upside down V, okay? And that's exactly what you got here. And so I remember seeing that thinking, well, it could be trying to duplicate this again in terms of the move, and that we're, you know, trying to do something like this. But you can see how we got this ABC pullback in wave 2. So that's what we got to watch over here. Okay, if you found this video to be helpful, please share this on social media. If you're not a subscriber, just click on the little red box here, download the PDF, and then fill in your first name and email, and you'll be good to go, so you can follow me on Beyond the Chart. And if you're watching this anywhere else besides my website, head on over to joehenches.net and check it out. We've got a lot of things going on, and as a subscriber, you get access to the Trade Ideas page. And I've got all of these various charts over there also under the Stock Chart Technical Analysis heading. So, all right, this has been Joe for Beyond the Chart. We will see you on the next video.